PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair provides heating, air conditioning and installation services for residential and commercial customers in Conshohocken, Pennsylvania. As a commercial HVAC company, we install and repair heating and cooling systems of every major brand. Call our 24-hour commercial HVAC company today if you have any questions. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What is a commercial HVAC? Business buildings, restaurants, rental properties, hospitals, schools, and more are heated and cooled by commercial HVAC. Commercial HVAC differs from residential HVAC in size, capacity, and complexity due to scale. What is the life of a commercial HVAC unit? HVAC systems in commercial buildings typically have a 15 to 20-year life expectancy if they are properly maintained. What is your service area for the Conshohocken, Pennsylvania service office? Our local commercial HVAC services have served Conshohocken, Bala-Cynwyd, Mequon, Roxborough, Shawmont Valley, Belmont Hills, Manayunk, Winfield Heights, Belmont Village, Bala, Wissahickon, Lafayette Hill, Oak Hill, Marion Station, Chamonix, Overbrook. Where is your Conshohocken, Pennsylvania commercial HVAC service office located? We are located at 100 Presidential Boulevard number 303, Bala-Cynwyd, Pennsylvania 19004. Our phone number is 610-672-3049. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/presidential-boulevard-bala-cynwyd-hvac-service.